waiting for my client to arrive. Actually did her a couple of weeks ago, maybe 8 weeks ago. She was a blondie, wanted to go darker, and we just did like a bit of a translucent sort of option just in case she didn't like it. That way all her blonde would come back through over the week. So I'm interested to see what it looks like today. But I believe she wants to commit to the darker color. So I'm not sure if we'll still do it with some texture or just do a nice solid all over. I always like to still keep a little bit of texture, but I'm pretty sure she wants a solid color. It could be a nice opportunity to use the O&M Clean Liquids shades, the new clean liquid shades that have come out, or possibly the matte series is really nice too. So I'll have a look and see if I can have a play with them and take you along for our service today. Hair's good to go. Probably needs some product. None left. My favourite product, that's why there's none left. Have a seat. Do you have any questions? No? Yeah, me too. I know, it's good because it's like round 2. I was just thinking, because like the last time you came, I was like a bit unsure about making you dark, so we went like in between, so it's nice to do it again.
Yeah.
I think it's probably been about 8 weeks, hey?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been about 8 weeks. Cool. And when you came in last time, you were lighter and you were happy to go darker, and I kind of guided you to do something that was in between, just because going from lighter to darker can be a little bit scary. But I do think like reflecting on it, I was like, oh, I probably could have made you a bit darker. I do feel like you were ready for it. But anyway, it was the first time I've done your hair, so I think there's always a few factors that come into play. So obviously it has softened out like I thought it would. Which is great, because if you came to me today and said, no, I liked the blonde, I want to go back blonde, then we've got that option. So you can kind of see how that works well. But anyway, I think we're happy to go darker, right?
I think so,
yeah. So what are you thinking?
So I am feeling like I loved my sort of natural tone.
Yeah.
It was quite warm.
Yeah.
I would love it like all over.
Yeah.
And then maybe even like a Albany sort of
okay
tone.
Yeah, okay, nice.
Just like a couple tones like shades
darker. Just go for it and make it darker.
I think so.
Cool. So what I think I'll do, I think I'll have a look at inspo. Have you got any inspos for me?
I've got one up.
Is it still the same as the last one you showed me, or is it a different one?
It's a bit different. I love like the warmy sort of dark.
Yeah, dark.
Yeah.
I love
it.
Okay, so we're really going for it.
I think we're just gonna go for it.
Yeah, cool. Yeah. So it's on the more natural side, but there's a golden sort of tone to it.
Yeah.
Do you think that sounds right to you? Like more golden over copper or reds?
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, because the golden tones tend to be rich and warm and natural, without feeling red.
Yeah, exactly.
Most people, but a lot of people don't like red. If you put red well, it's changed a bit these days. People are more open to warmth, but it used to be like, oh my god, if you could see any red, they would, die. But anyway, I think the golden brown would be really nice for you, and that is a good 3 shades darker than what you are now. But I think I already did all the prep last time in preparing you for feeling darker, and we did that in between steps. So today we go for it and make you dark.
I think so.
Yay. Let's do it. Question. Cut.
Yes.
Are we keeping fringe?
We're keeping the fringe.
Okay, so cut the fringe back in shorter for you.
Yeah.
Perfect. And then the rest,
layers,
Yeah.
face framing, and
Yeah.
then just an inch or so off the bottom.
The length. Do you want shorter layers this time?
Yeah, I actually quite liked the length of the layers.
Yeah, last time? Cool.
Yeah.
All right, a little bit shorter with the fringe though?
Yeah, I liked
because you wanted to be able to round it, hey?
Yeah.
Cool. All right, so we'll give you a nice short fringe,
Yeah.
layers, a little bit off your length, and we're just gonna go for it and go darker with the color.
Yeah.
Before I do that, I just like to give you one visual of like holding up a swatch of the depth, just so you can see it. So I think that we are aiming for really let me just have a look. So that's look, okay, let's just choose. This is dark, isn't it?
That is dark.
Can you see when you hold it on your face how
I look so pale.
yeah. So this is a level 6, so I agree the level 6 will be plenty dark enough for you and still look quite natural. With my root color, the 6O for base, because we want a natural root and no root glow, I put the 673 in it because that's a part of my ends formula, and we're going for golden brown result, and we have existing blonde in the ends. I need to pump a lot of warmth into it. Added into my ends formula the 6.3 as well, just to enhance a bit more of that gold reflect to help me fill my ends too. I kept my base in the end formula because I feel that with the amount of blonde she has in it, it needs a little bit of base to create that depth. 6.0 for the depth, the 6.73, I guess that's probably my gold color, and the 6.3 just to add a little bit more kick of gold.
Oh my god, that colour is so good. I love that.
Oh dark! It's actually very natural for you, like look at your eyebrow.
Oh my god.
Yay? Okay.
Amazing.
Don't get too excited, we can't see it yet.
I love this.
Oh, good.
Oh my god, I'm so happy.
Yay! Yeah. Yeah, you wanted it.
Yeah.
Dark, hey.
Yeah.
No, just.
You're a magic woman.
What was that?
You're a magic woman.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
A
like
proper fringe.
proper front fringe.
Yeah, done.
But like just like so, it's more so when I roll it over. Like, do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I know.
I know a proper front fringe, but still with some length on it.
Yeah.
I know what you mean. I
Thank
agree,
you.
because I did it more like curtain last time, and it was probably still too long, I reckon.
That's because I was like, oh, maybe I'll stick with the curtain because I was like nervous that
Yeah.
I'd cut it too short and hate it. But
Yeah,
I'm like,
yeah.
well, I'll just cut it.
No, it's scary. I think it will, now it's already short, I think we
Yeah.
can go for it.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm just going to turn your head there for me. Yeah. So good.
So good.
So nice.
That is amazing.
Happy?
Yes, so happy.